Hello, welcome again. We have two questions on decrease by percentage using the multiplier method. The multiplier method is very important because it's one of the easiest way of working out percentages when you are allowed to use a calculator. So here, Michael buys a suit in a sale. The normal price of the suit is reduced by 28%. The normal price is £125.50. Work out the sale price of the dress. So here, to look at the details, the original price, which is 100%, is £125.50. So if you're going to reduce this price by 28%, that means percentage reduction. So the original price 100% has to be reduced by 28%. That's why we have 100% minus 28%. That gives us 72%. So the new price is going to be, your sale price is going to be 72%. The multiplier from that divided by 100 will give us 0.72. So to know the sale price, we multiply the normal price by 0.72, and that will give us £90.36p. So the new price, or the sale price of the suit, will now be £90.36. So this is the price at which Michael bought the suit on sale. Now you can pause and see if you can do the second one yourself. Okay, let's see. The value of a car depreciates by 14.5%. The car was worth £15,650. What is the worth now? So the word depreciate means you decrease in value. Depreciate means decrease in value, and appreciate means increase in value. So the car was £15,650, and we're going to reduce this by 14.5%. The first thing is the original price is 100%. We reduce it by 14.5%, and that gives us 85.5% divided by 100 to get a multiplier is 0.855. So to know the worth of the car now is the original price times by 0.855, and that gives us £13,380.75p. So the car now is worth £13,380.75p. So this is what we call the multiplier method. So it's a matter of knowing whether it's increasing, you add the percentage to 100%, or whether it's decreasing, you take away the percentage from 100%, convert it to a multiplier, and multiply the given number or amount by your multiplier. Now next slide, we're going to talk about problem solving question.